Technology is getting smarter nowadays. For example, my wife doesn't even carry our house key when we go out. Don't believe me? Look. In fact, I don't even bring my smartphone when I go out for the gym. My smartwatch works just fine. It gets even better. Oh, that's my cleaner. I've generated a passcode for her. Simple, wasn't it? Don't worry. The passcode is time sensitive. I can decide how long I want the access period to be. Oh, my son is back. Have you ever chilled in your zone and suddenly your friend dropped by? Alexa, unlock main door. This is how I define killers. Sciener, how killers should be.